Hello everyone. At the moment we're here at Donki here in Hong Kong.
吃的。哦，很多 Japanese stuff 哦。
This Donki is located at Mira Place here.
我他妈狗鸡啊！不确定，应该还可以进啊。
And check it out. Lots of snacks here. A lot of the stuff here are from Japan. One of the best places to visit if you are visiting Hong Kong. Lots of things to see and things are on discount.
OK price 啊，那 OK price 啊，好多东西还可以啊。是哈。哦。
You walk into an entrance and then it feels like a maze and you explore everything here and then finally you end up at the cashier which is at the end of the shop. Lots of cakes here, durian cake, crabs, potato and so on.
你剛剛叫咯。
These are the different rice sets here. It's quite lots of delicious food that you can choose and quite affordable. Some of the durian crabs here. Let's check it out here. This one is about 29 Hong Kong dollars. The different Kit Kats here, most of them from Japan.
就试下，你看，那牛肉看这么多，哇，整只鸡多少
30多块，
？69。
还没30多块嘛。
我想。
These are the fresh salmon sushi sashimi, quite affordable.
这种圆圆的哦。
你食唔食嘅螃蟹？哎呀，螃蟹，大人食咩都好，咁日要食螃蟹。
来个扫门了咯。啊？哦。
85。
有很多店哦。
当具有好的日本制造寄生鲜果汁，可以补充每一回合的维他命，在人体适量量，想健健康康就不要买了。
可以买回去。
来买，来买 sweet potato 回去 from Japan。不然你要回去吃。好。
Some of the mangoes here and oranges too.
你最喜欢柑吗？还是什么柑？
对，这个呀，很贵啊。
Some of the strawberries and tomatoes. Strawberries are 109 Hong Kong dollars, or roughly around 25 US dollars, or 50 ringgit.
好的 strawberry 啊，好的 strawberry 啊。
也有多种口味，每个只有12至15的卡路里。有几款是零卡，非常适合中
这下立刻你看得上吗？
千万不要错过。个人只有非常低卡，有多种口味，只有12至15的卡路里。口味12至15的卡路里。
Yes。
味道是零卡，非常适合身材管理的宝宝，现特价3件30元，千万不要错过。是零卡，非常适合身材管理的宝宝，现特价3件30元，千万不要错过。
strawberry 買個。
叫人越食越上癮。呢一刻有超級驚喜優惠，3件都係30元。
婴儿玉蒟蒻非常低卡，还有多种口味，每个只有12至15的卡路里，还有几款是零卡，非常适合身材管理的宝宝，现特价3件30元，千万不要错过。
婴儿玉蒟蒻非常低卡，还有多种。
婴儿玉蒟蒻非常低卡，还有多种口味，每个只有12至15的卡路里，还有几款是零卡，非常适合身材管理的宝宝，现特价3件30元，千万不要错过。
婴儿玉蒟蒻非常低卡，婴儿玉蒟蒻非常低卡，还有多种口味，每个只有12至15的卡路里。
嗯？哇，我 man，
好的。
这 Donki。
Here's a can of cola by Jack Daniels, usually not available in a lot of countries. Here we are now at the toy station section area. These are the Tamagotchis.
Okay, go up to now. Oh, spark says.
There is an adult-only area. A lot of different blind boxes and toys to look at here.
有没有好问？
这边。
These are the Hong Kong edition taxis.
寫文個咩嚟㗎？
要散熱了都。
If you love looking at toys, this is one of the places you can visit. There are so many different toys here that you can look at, blind boxes and so on. Hmm? There is also this section which sells lots of cool electronics that are themed with Sanrio characters, and there is also this codec camera. We are now very near the cashier, so after a lot of walking around, you are finally at this cashier area. It feels like a maze and you have to queue up for a while, and you can pay with the self-checkout machine or at the cashier. A lot of customers paying with the self-checkout machine. There are some capsule machines here. After paying, we are heading out of Donki. A very nice car parked here. Let's have a look at it. It looks quite nice. I'm not sure what model this is.
Police.
漆自动退的啊，那白纸黑字都写在上面的。
A lot of lanterns being hung up here makes it quite a nice Instagrammable photo taking place.
那里看到
哎，你看，这样下去。
The steps up Mira Place, so we're somewhere here at
可以，坐下。
this place, and this vlog will end very soon.